So what you are going to see right now is how to clean a groove griddle or a cardboard grill like that. But this is one of the most dangerous part of being a cook because you have to be careful of doing this one because it is hot, right? Accident can happen if you didn't take care of yourself. So I'm going to show you the proper way of doing it and the most safest way that I know. So if you want to become a chef or a cook someday, these are one of the basic things that you are going to do inside the kitchen. So what you're going to see here is the real life inside the kitchen. So if you have good tongs like this, you can use it for getting it up like this way. Remember, this grill has a temperature of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. See? So why we are going to clean it, as you will see, because there's a lot of gas already, so you don't want this oil goes into your food. So that's why we have to clean it at least every time you're going to finish it. So when the groove griddle is clean, this is what gonna be look like. And in order for you see it, this is the way see how to clean it. Take a spray. So that's how hot it is. Very dangerous, right? So get this thing and maybe get some soap, right? And then this steel wool it. But you know, using a steel wool is not enough, so you must use steel brush too. In Philippines, we call this tik-tik kalawang. So when it's hot, it's very nice to spray it with water right away, so to make those coal become brittle. Right, so when they are brittle, it's much easier to knock it down. So you have to do it back and forth. Don't even try to touch it because it is still hot. Right? Then spray it again. now you're done. You can put back now the groove grill on top of this grill to reheat it. So, I think we're going to do the next one, the next one, the next one, and that. So that one will help the food to become more safety, not to become more safe to eat, right? So always remember cleaning and cleaning, sanitizing is always a part of your job as a cook. So be prepared to clean and do it properly for the safety. So until next time, hope you like it and God bless.